Next, we want to introduce Dr. Marcus Jones. Marcus is the VP of Research and Development at Douglas Plant Health. As an experienced practitioner in agricultural research and product development, Marcus has a history with innovation and emerging technologies. He is adept at experimental design and cropping systems, and since his academic years at Penn State and Michigan State University, he has led and collaborated with teams at Syngenta, Monsanto, New Leaf Symbiotics, Adama, and ICL Specialty Fertilizers. In his role at Douglas Plant Health, he directs the R&D efforts to bolster the existing portfolio and spur innovation in the biological space.
Thanks for the invite here and for AgAuthority putting this together. And even under the challenges that we face today, we still get a chance to get together. So thanks for that. Some of the key things I see that challenge us with new products. Does this stuff work? Does this product that I'm considering, does it do what it what it's advertised to do? What it was designed to do? We really need to understand that we have enough data, we have sufficient data, we have data across enough environments, enough crops, enough geographies to pull the whole story together. Other factors are, how the product is going to be used. The whole seed to seed is how do you improve, seeds and seed treatment and all of that encompasses. Well, so many materials are going on the seeds, fungicides, all these compounds. Does the product that you're bringing to market, is it compatible with existing chemistry that might already be on there? And then, I would say really educating the channel. Who is the end user? What are the use patterns? What crops? Have we really done our diligence on that? And then I would say a real challenge is perception that growers may already have in the marketplace about a particular product. And how to overcome that is, it goes back to my first point, and that is with good data. From my experience, the really important steps are to consider the end from the beginning. What are you trying to accomplish? Get one. What are you addressing? What does the product that you have, what needs are being addressed? You want to think about, from regulatory, from a marketing, and this type of thing. So, and that could involve even the how you test, the cropping season, how you go about doing that. Is a year a testing cycle, or do you have different seasons? Can you go counter season? Are there other places in the world where you can test this thing? All of these are very important R&D considerations that you need to take into really consider from the very beginning. So as I think about the future of how we're going to bring products to market and innovation to market, we have some significant hurdles, and we are very good in agricultural technology of building very, very targeted solutions. I guess, for lack of a better term, we call them silver bullets. The agricultural systems, things that are happening out there that all converge are now creating such a complexity that we've got to take a step back and think more systematically. We have to think about soil. We have to think about soil health. We have to think about other things that are, becoming more and more apparent that bring us into a systematic understanding of, the entire growing system. The way that we bring products to market. So I alluded to earlier, kind of a strict requirement of there's probably at least a minimum amount of seasons of data that you've got to bring forth before, a channel or a company will say, yeah, we believe in this product. But if you think about us in the age of COVID now, if you look at what's happening with vaccines that are just about to be deployed, it's just flat out miraculous. We don't know the end yet. We're hearing 90% effectiveness and this type of a thing, but just think how quickly, with a focus that we even got to the place where we could say we have a vaccine from 3 different major companies in just an astronomically short amount of time. It's incredible. I think about this because, could the same thing happen in our agricultural research development where, a standard, it takes 3 years to get, something. Well, could we be moving the ball in the way that we test, in the way that we really apply machine learning, big data, data analytics, all of these things that we have as tools available to us? Could we then, even shorten the time, even though we have to address complexity? So it's a fascinating question to me, one that does not have one answer. And I'm glad to be a part of at least, thinking about it. But these are the things that really stimulate thought and make you really consider, where we're going in the future. As we conclude here, and I think there might be a panel coming up, I just wanted to, again, express, thanks for the opportunity to share some thoughts about these issues that are very important. So thanks very much.